Hi everybody, it's Jake from Results Realty and I'm here at 64 Front Street in wonderful seaside town of Pictou. Now this house is really something special. Built in the 1800s, we're mid-restoration on this. It's stunning and you can just see from the vastness of it of how special it really is. The stained glass work is unreal. We've got 5 bedrooms, all with en-suites. The hardwood completely refinished down to the actual real cutting of it. It's amazing. You'll see inside. So come on in, we'll go check it out and we'll talk about everything that we can do with it. I mean, just the stained glass alone in this house just makes you drool. And like, where do you get that? You know, like that's just, it's stunning. Now, of course, we need you to come in here and finish this. This house needs to be finished and to be loved and have all the possibilities that it should have. So give us a call. Because again, you know the market, it's not gonna last long, so give us a call. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.